I applied to Thermo Scientific's apprenticeship programme because I wanted a practical start to my career where I could learn and earn at the same time. I've always loved problem solving and understanding how things work, and as an apprentice I get to see engineering in action every day. We are not only taught the theory, we get to put it straight into practice.
The Thermo Scientific Apprenticeship Programme is the perfect opportunity for people who want to kickstart a practical career in a dynamic industry. The programme will suit anyone interested in STEM subjects in school, someone who's curious and has a flair for engineering, science and machinery, someone who likes to solve problems. It lasts 4 years, that's 3 years of practical experience on site and a year of theory training. This is delivered in partnership with Solace. Our electrical and instrumentation apprentices and mechanical apprentices are a vital part of our team maintaining the facilities and helping to design, install and test new equipment that keeps our site going. When they finish, they are fully qualified craftspeople, ready to work in a growing industry that's full of opportunity. And because they become such an integral part of our team, many of our apprentices stay with us after they qualify.
As an apprentice, you really feel like you're part of the team here. They put real trust in you to get the job done, and it's amazing to be part of a team that does so much to make the world healthier, cleaner and safer. I've really enjoyed this programme and would recommend it to anyone looking for a hands-on route into a practical career.